Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife from ScrappyWife.com, and I have two brand new sticker books from Live Love Posh that we are going to flip through. These released today, so if you want to see what is inside, stay tuned. All right, so as we get started, I'm super excited to let you all know that I am now a Live Love Posh affiliate. So you can use the code SCRAPPY10 when you order from Live Love Posh. You can use my affiliate link, but SCRAPPY10 will save you 10% off your order, which is always a good thing and always something that we are looking for. So use that code. I do have an affiliate link down below, and hopefully I'll be getting a few sneak peeks at what is to come from Live Love Posh. I have been buying from Jessica, who owns Live Love Posh. I've been buying from her for a while. I took the plunge when she had those rainbow florals on sale last year. When she released that whole box set, I went all in, and I am so excited to be an affiliate for Live Love Posh, and I'm super excited to look at these two brand new sticker books. So these are releasing today. I'll have all of the info down in the description box below. You're going to want to pick them up. There are times when the Live Love Posh sticker books sell out. Happy Planner doesn't always sell out. There's other companies that don't always sell out. Live Love Posh is really popular. They do tend to sell out, and especially these kind of seasonal ones. So we have two new ones. We have Beautifully Lined and Love Yourself. So I think we're going to start with the Love Yourself sticker book. I want to do some flip throughs, and then I want to do a quick plan with me. So let's do it. All right, so here is Love Yourself, a whole self-care theme, and Jessica does such a fabulous job of just combining function and decoration all into one sticker book. So you can do a whole spread within just one sticker book, which I absolutely love. So first we have this kind of like Hawaiian feel. Again, all about self-care. This one has all the little word-fetty pieces that are making up the books. I love the Polaroids. I think that's so cute. But we have like the little workout outfit, having fun with makeup and hand creams and all of the like good things that make us just feel good. You know, when you get a new like really nice scented hand cream, there's just something about that. So you have these decorative stickers, and then look how they coordinate so beautifully with the florals. We have Love Yourself, Make a Priority. These are on clear, transparent sticker paper, and you get two of each one, which I think is awesome because then you're not tempted to hoard stickers, which is great because I often hoard. Look at this one. I'm kind of obsessed. So these ladies are doing yoga. I love all of the blue details with this beautiful peach, and then this elephant just reminds me of my daughter who loves elephants, and so I think that one is so pretty. This is on white sticker paper. This is also white sticker paper. Look at these beautiful gemstones. Oh, I love it. And then you have your planner time, quiet the mind and the soul will speak. I love planner time is how I do self-care. Like making time to be in my planners is one of my self-care things. So I love that that's part of the sticker book. Another one of those sheets. I absolutely love it. Then we get into this. Oh, it's like a spa day. Look at all wrapped up in the towel. You're beautiful. Hello, gorgeous. So pretty. Love the nail polish. I absolutely love those. And then look at these florals. They're like sparkling. So look how beautiful it would be to combine into some of those other collections. Oh, that's so good. It's so good. Beauty is being the best possible version of yourself inside and out. Audrey Hepburn. This one just screams spring. I love the daisies. We just passed National Daisy Day, but you can use daisies at any point. How fun. Look at those. This is on white sticker paper. The artwork is just so beautiful. It's so well brought together. Another spa day. Look at this, like, hello, dream bathroom. I love, and look, it's like cut out in a kind of cool, jagged way, which I think is super neat. I love the whole, like the whole spa feel. I'm here for it. Yes, please. And then here's the functionality I was talking about. So you have these functional boxes that will mix in so well. And a lot of these colors mix in several of the different color schemes that we saw earlier. So you have your checklist, lots of boxes. I love these right here for the headers. So good. Some vertical boxes. Lots and lots of function. This one I think is so pretty. This one's all about like being cozy at home, a day at home. I'm all about that. I'm definitely a homebody. So pretty. This is on white sticker paper, I should have said. This is so good. I love it. And then look at these florals. Yes, please. This is on clear. Her florals tend to be on clear, which I think is lovely. And then this one just makes me kind of exhale. Protect your energy, breathe. So pretty. We have the pumpkins here. Just this light, happy feel. People in the corners. That's a cool way to do a corner sticker. I like that. And then this one is kind of like, it lends itself to making a self-care page, like a self-care check-in. Start a journal, eat healthy, reduce screen time, take a vacation, cleaning, exercise, read a new book, start new hobby, and self-care. So beautiful. And the cool thing about that one is you have one on white sticker paper and one on clear. So that's cool. You have some options. And then here's another one. Definitely lends itself to self-care. And look, you even have the little check boxes to make the whole page. I love that. More. Oh, this one is so good. I love the you guys know I love purple. Light a candle. So pretty. I love it, love it, love it. And then some great phrases here at the end. All on black on clear sticker paper, so they'll be great moving like on any of the spreads. So that is the Love Yourself sticker book. You can see it's just like a big exhale. It feels so good. I'm so excited to work with this one. That is beautiful. So that's Love Yourself. And then beautifully lined, Jessica is kind of known for her florals. She has this beautiful modern take on florals that I am just loving. So right here we get started. This is all kind of lined art florals. Every single line means something. Love yourself first and everything else falls in line. Sometimes it's better to cross the line and suffer the consequences than to just stare at the line for the rest of your life. Oh my goodness, I love that. Life is a beautiful mess of tangled lines. So you have these just gorgeous florals. I love line art. I tend to like florals more when they're on the abstract side as opposed to like these super realistic florals. So I think these are so pretty. Oh, I love them. Obsessed. All clear sticker paper. Then look at this. Love those. So pretty. And then you guys, I could use a whole book of black and white lined florals, like all on clear. I would use it in a million spreads, in a million projects, all over my Bible journal, all over my planner. I'm loving the black, with the clear. I'm here for that. Like, please, please, please. And look, there's extras. I love it. So beautiful. Look at the butterfly with the florals. You belong among the wildflowers. I'm like that one. Yes, please. So pretty with the pinks. 2 of each page again. And then this one feels very winter-esque to me, which I'm loving. I totally dig. Totally dig that. Here, this one definitely has spring vibes. I love it. All of these are on clear. I think I mentioned that. We're getting into bright kind of summery colors. Some more really bright, happy, beautiful colors. And then look at these pieces. I'm loving this. It's kind of mix and match on your pages. So you have them in the like pinks and the oranges and yellows. And then you go into the cool colors with the blues and the greens. The details on these are just so pretty. Loving, loving. And more black and white. Always here for that. Gorgeous. These are fun too, to drop some watercolor down on your page and then put this on top. Yes, absolutely. 100% yes on that. And then look at these. So good. So good. All right. I'm going to flip through and figure out what I want to use to plan for next week. But don't forget, you can pick these up. You can use the link in the description box below. I really appreciate it when you're able to shop affiliate links. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to use code Scrappy10 to save yourself 10%. All right. Let's plan. All right, so let's get into this. I'm actually going to combine the two sticker books. They go together really well. It creates just such a serene feel, and a self-care theme is exactly what I need. I don't know about you guys, but it has been a crazy beginning of the year. Lots of great things have been happening, but I remember learning in college that even if it's a good kind of stress, it's still stress and it still takes a toll on your mental state, even if it's because good things are happening. And so I felt like a calming theme for this week would be really great to kind of kick off the first full week of February. So I'm starting with some of the corner stickers from the Lined Florals book, and we're definitely going to pull in kind of that homey feel because I love the pinks in here. Definitely gives me the February feels for Valentine's. And I like cozying up at home. That's my go-to. I love seeing my friends. I do like going out to eat and doing things every now and then. But if you were to ask me about an ideal night, it would be curling up at home, ordering out great food, and hanging out with my family, probably watching something like Lego Masters or a Marvel movie with my husband and kids. That is like the go-to. And so I'm all about this kind of homebody feel. Okay, and I'm also all about these little clusters of the framed pictures. I love a gallery wall. I love words. If you are new here, hi, my name's Elisa and I'm obsessed with words in my planner as far as like inspirational words and fun words. And so I am choosing that little gallery wall up there. It's going to be repeated again on the other side of the page because it's part of this cluster that I'm using right here. That's not normally something I do, but in I don't know. I thought it worked. It's very neutral. They don't pop off. It works okay in this case. I am doing some whiteout of the lines just because I don't want them to stick out with the florals. I'm going to do a whole cluster of different florals across the bottom of the page, and the whiteout just breaks up those lines so that you can really, the florals really pop off nicely. So every time I put down florals, I'm also putting down a sticker from the self-care book, and they're really nestled together, and it just gives you a really cozy feeling without being too dark because I feel like the bright pinks really brighten it up. I was on the struggle bus today. I don't know what my deal was, but getting stickers off pages, I think it's because my nails, they don't look awesome, but I am trying to fix my nails and they just, I don't know, it wasn't gripping stickers. So I did have to pull out my tweezers, and then it came off easily. Once I grabbed a corner, I was just struggling. It's one of those weird days where things just were not coming very easily. So again, a little bit more white out. I'm extending out this little progression of florals, and then this is one of the times where I'm actually going to change up where things go. So usually I'm a little bit we're not going to say I'm rigid, we're just going to say that I like my typical planner setup, which is checklists in the middle of the page and boxes at the top. I changed that ever so slightly in this week just because the balance felt weird to have it all at the top based on what I was wanting to put at the bottom. So I adjusted it. When I do that, I have this checklist box here at the bottom. I might do something like a gratitude list down here instead of my typical task list, just because I like everything in the middle. I'd like to see my tasks all in the middle. It's okay to stick with a pattern or a setup that you really like. You don't have to reinvent the wheel with clusters and everything each week. You can kind of stick with something that is working for you. To me, that's been part of the success of building a planner routine is finding a setup that works for me and kind of just sticking with it. So don't think that just because we see all of these gorgeous different setups on Instagram that you have to change yours each week. On the flip side of that is also if you like to change your setup every week, if you like to switch it all around, then by all means go for it. If that keeps it fresh and new and keeps you within your planner each week, then I'm all about it. I just think you should do what works for you. I will be creating a few little clusters here at the top with some boxes. I'm grabbing boxes from the Rainbow Mega Sticker Book boxes from the Happy Planner because I really like the grays and the blacks. I was really going for gray because I didn't want the boxes to be too overpowering. I considered grabbing the Live Love Posh pink floral sticker book because there are some great pink boxes in there. But I liked that the pink was in the flowers and in the illustrations, and I thought let's keep it simple with the boxes and go with grays. I decided to go with different shades of gray throughout just to change it up a little bit. All right, one of my favorite things recently is putting stickers on the lines. See how I took that plant sticker and I covered up that vertical line with the sticker? I think that's a really cool way to still have a ton of room to write. I need my planner spreads to be functional. I need to be able to write. I don't want to put decorative stickers that cover up huge portions of the page. I got to be able to write in a lot of different places. So placing a sticker right on that vertical line helps me kind of save a little space to write on either side. All right, I'm trying to arrange stickers knowing what we have going on this week, which is a typical busy, crazy week. I have 3 kiddos that do 3 different sports, plus Cub Scouts, plus band and Battle of the Books, and all kinds of things. So we are a busy family with lots going on. I have this job. I also have a job where I judge winter guard. My husband is in the United States Army and he's got schedules. We got lots of stuff. So I got a lot of things to keep track of. But I don't think it's too crazy of a week. Not too much out of the norm for us, which is nice. All right, a few checklists kind of dispersed throughout. I'll probably add bullet points as we go during the week, just to kind of figure out, as I leave myself room because I come back to this each night and then in the next morning and I kind of fill in what comes up because I never know all of the week's plans to start with. There's always new things that pop up during the week. At first, I'm changing the box size here, you guys, because I wanted to do just a little box for Super Bowl Sunday, which is like a little holiday in my house because we very much love football. So I was going to try a few different things, and I ended up just going with a kind of medium-sized box. And then that is going to fill in that space really nicely there. This spread came together so easily. I'm in love with these sticker books. I love Live Love Posh. If you are new here, I have been buying her stuff for a while because I find it fresh and modern and beautiful, and I really like her aesthetic that she goes with. So check out these sticker books. Check out the other things she has on her website. There are several things part of this new release, including some very cute washi tape cutters that you can check out. Don't forget to use the code SCRAPPY10 to save 10% on your order, and I also have the affiliate link down below. It does help me a whole lot when you're able to shop those links. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it really goes a long way towards supporting this channel. All right, I'm getting the last few little bits, words, 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 always on my page. So be real, not perfect. I love it. And then I'm going to add love more over here on the side. And the last little bit is one of my favorites, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. I am going to teach Winter Guard this weekend, and that feels like a very much of a Winter Guard phrase to me. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for your support, and I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.